Hi viewers, greetings of this day. Welcome you all to share simple science. But to your surprise, today we are not going to discuss anything about science, but we'll be discussing about a forthcoming event shortly. You know what it is in October? Yeah, that's on 2nd, which we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Who does not know Gandhiji? Gandhiji is an Indian. He was a lawyer and he is famous for simplicity. He is a freedom fighter. And you know more about him, about his weapons which he used: truth, non-violence, sacrifice. And he has taken the whole nation towards a successful campaign towards independence. He is really a great man. Today, what the task we are going to have is, to the kids, I'll be just asking a simple question. Suppose if Gandhi appears in front of you, what would you like to ask him, or what would you like to say to him? It's really a good question, isn't it? Let us interview some kids about this question, as what do they know about Gandhiji and what they would like to speak to him, suppose if Gandhiji appears. It's a good question, isn't it? Hope for the best. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Kanishka.
What's your age?
My age is 8.
Which class you're studying?
I am studying 3rd grade.
Okay, fine. Which is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Gizzy and the Lemmings in Pogo.
Okay. Which is your favorite color?
Color is dark blue.
Dark blue. Okay. Have you heard about Gandhiji?
Yes,
Who is he?
he's a great freedom fighter.
Okay. What did you like in him?
I like to be truth.
Okay. You want to follow the way he is. Being honest.
Yes,
Okay. Suppose if Gandhiji appears in front of you, and what would you like to speak to him?
I like to speak. Why did you die soon?
Okay. Suppose if he was alive, what you want to learn from him?
How freedom will get.
Okay. How did he get freedom? Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell about Gandhiji?
No?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. Thank you, Kanishka.
You are welcome.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Vihan.
Okay, Vihan. Which class you're studying?
First standard.
Okay, fine. Which color do you like?
Blue.
Blue. Nice color. Which food do you like?
Idli.
You like idli. Do you know about Gandhiji?
Yeah.
What do you know about him?
I like to learn like him.
Okay, you want to be like him. Very good. That's really great. Suppose if Gandhiji appears in front of you, what would you like to say to him?
I like to wish him.
What you'll wish him?
I like to wish him happy birthday, Gandhiji.
Oh, very good. Very nice. You want to tell anything else about Gandhiji?
No.
No. Anything else you would like to tell?
No.
Nothing? Okay, thank you, Vihan.
Thank you.
Children, the task is that you have to speak for about 30 seconds, just 30 seconds, about Gandhiji, one sentence. And suppose if he appears in front of you, what would you like to say? Okay, so you're going to send me the video for the numbers which I'll be scrolling down. Okay, so please be ready with it and answer. Let it be casual answers only. Okay, fine. Thank you. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Abhishka.
Which class you're studying?
I am studying in 7th grade.
What's your age?
My age is 12.
Okay, fine, Abhishka. What do you know about Gandhiji?
He was great freedom fighter and he was a lawyer.
Okay, anything else you want to tell about him?
No.
The question is, suppose if Gandhiji appears in front of you, what would you like to say to him?
I will ask him that how did he get that thought of getting freedom to India?
Okay, you're going to ask him how did he get the thought, why he has to get it. Anything else which you like in him?
Yes. He used his tools like truth, satyagraha, selfless service, non-violence and cooperation.
Okay, so you like all these tools. Out of which do you like?
I like non-violence.
Okay, non-violence. Do you think nowadays there is non-violence in the society?
No.
Okay, then how will you say that we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, we are celebrating independence and freedom, all these? What would be your answer for such questions?
We are celebrating that we got independence and republic, but the true freedom is not there.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Abhishka.
Thank you. My life is my message. M.K. Gandhi. A memorable star was born on October 2nd, 1869. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, commonly called as M.K. Gandhi. Children loved him and called as Bapuji, Gandhiji. This is Abhishka. Gandhiji had a strategy, a way to freedom through his tools like truth, non-violence, selfless service, cooperation and satyagraha to fight against the British rule. Truth, to be honest and not to lie. His concept is not to think evil of anyone but to be honest. Non-violence. His clear concept of non-violence is not to hurt anybody in the name of freedom. One should not be deprived by any speech, action or deed. Selfless service. His belief on service is not only for him alone but all in nation. His thought is to adopt methods to make all citizens think about communal harmony. All must march forward on the path of progress to contribute, serve nation to world peace. Cooperation. His dream to ethic values in daily life can be attained when all come together, help each other, join hands to protest against British. Satyagraha is a dignity for hard labor and mutual respect. It is an approach towards life based on truth and courage. He inspired many Indians to fight freedom through this weapon. What I would like to tell is that our nation is democratic one. So we are future citizens. We have some rights and regulations to be followed. We cannot be Gandhijis, but an attempt towards simplicity and to follow his steps. Advance happy Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind. Thank you.